How to turn off safe mode on your Samsung device. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily turn off the safe mode in 3 different ways. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So as you guys know, turning on safe mode will directly block out all of the third-party apps that are downloaded on your device, and only the inbuilt apps will function properly. Now, if you want to turn this off, there are actually 3 methods. The first one is quite easy. You can just go ahead and power off your phone or restart your phone like this, and your safe mode will be turned off automatically. The second method is to actually turn it off from your notification. Go ahead and pull down your notification panel and you will see your safe mode is on button right here. Go ahead and tap on this to turn off your safe mode, and this prompt will appear. You just have to tap on turn off to turn it off. And the other option is to go ahead and open up your phone settings and then go ahead, tap on accessibility, interaction and dexterity, and turn on assistant menu and allow this. Now from your assistant menu, you will find the power off menu. Tap on it, long press on your power button and restart it again to turn off the safe mode. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.